Panguva ine vanhu vaya vachidha kuti mutungamiri wenyika vachiti takambozvitaura back muna 2018 noda kuti tikuona kuti these guys vanongoya vachingosapotana pachavo vega some other people vari kumilitary. Saka pina mashoko ari kuya panapa tikuona people they are complaining vachiti aiwa taakuda kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa ichienda noda kuti we are not tired of it. Kuti subscribe like on the bell kuti wapenda kuti makamudanyira achiti in May 2018 I warned that the primary beneficiary of the post-Mugabe order seems to be Zimbabwe's military complex led by General Chiwenga and not the people of Zimbabwe. 2 months later, the army killed innocent civilians in Harare. ZANU-PF is whatever, guys, is Zimbabwe's number one problem. Anendrambira chiposta the speaker Murugunani Mudanyi since becoming the president of Zimbabwe in November 2017. Despite repeatedly paying lip service to calls for democratic reform, Emmerson Mnangagwa did little to further human rights and democratic freedoms in the country. Instead, his government deepened Zimbabwe's economic struggles, enabled endemic corruption, fueled instability, and targeted opposition figures, rights activists, and journalists to strike fear into a resistive population. The ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa, we are not tired of you. Panapa takambozvitaura muna 2018 titi are going to be self-serving. Muchazvisefa imimi pamwechete aiwa the soldiers who are surrounding you. Zvakaonekwa kunzi aiwa muna 2018 soldiers are the same people who fight against citizens. Vamwe vakashutiwa, vamwe vakafa, all because of this regime. Varikuya panapa vaida kungomenda the opposition just to be self-serving, vachipromota cronyism and corruption. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechiti not aiwa people now they are demanding their own liberation vachiti aiwa taneta the ruling party ZANU-PF. Ina comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell.